Hi friends, this is Akshay. Welcomes you all on Career Edge. This is the platform of Coursera, and there are many courses which you get free by my suggested way. And here I am going to show you something which is very different, a professional certificate or a specialization for free without using credit card or a debit card. And here these are the specialization and also some professional certificates you can see provided by IBM. And there are many more courses which you get on the Coursera platform. Many offers are also because of corona epidemic. And here are some courses from Google Cloud, and you can use that formula which I'm going to show you on any of it. Firstly, I show you the normal method which you can follow or anybody follow. Here IBM professional certificate course with 6 courses are here, and you can see enrolling for free or a 7-day benefit. But this course is of 6 months long or 7 months long, so 7 days is not enough. And here's a beginner level course, approx 7 months to complete. English subtitles are there. The most important thing which is in these courses or specialization and a professional certificates are that you get a certificate which is very unique from the Coursera other certificates. They are mainly recognized by the companies, just like if you go through the professional certificate of IBM, then they are well verified by IBM and also a unique certificate. You can see my video where I go that you can get any courses for free by using financial aid. Financial aid is a method, but it is a long method that it needs 15 days long. I also made a video on the professional certificate and specialization. Mainly professional certificate and specialization of IBMs are not considered in financial aids, only courses are there. And here you can see all the professional certificates which I showed in my video. If you doesn't show, go through it. At that time I show you that you get these courses by using your debit or credit card. Now I'm going to choose one of it, that is AI foundations for everyone, because in this only 3 courses are there. This is a specialization, and also it takes only 20 hours to complete. It takes minimum time in all the specialization and professional certificates provided by IBM. And you can see the banners in the above because you need to go through my video which I showed in this, and also there is a link in that. You can go through that, then you get a promotional banner on the above that is start now. And after that, if you can log in, then you get the offer which I am going to show you. And here is a shareable certificate, 100% online course, flexible deadline, and approx 3 months to complete. So there is a promotional banner, and now I am going to enroll. Tap on subscribe. It is written your promotion will be applied at checkout. Now there is a checkout. Here you can see there is no fee for a month. You can complete this course in a month. Now payments details. I go through PayPal, which I'm going to show you in this video is PayPal, because PayPal is an online international online merchant. Making account on PayPal is a very easy process. You can easily make a PayPal account. There is no transaction required, there is no money required, adding money. And after that you just log in here, just give them permission for using your PayPal, and after that there is choosing country. You can use your PayPal account multiple times, but not with the same account of Coursera, because you can access only one specialization or a professional certificate from one account with this offer. I know you all people are very clever, so just sign up in the Coursera with different emails, take all these courses. And here you can see it is 4-week long course. It is the first course in that specialization, introduction to artificial intelligence. After that 2 more courses are there. So just ready for this professional certificate or specializations, because this offer is only because of corona epidemic. If you not take benefit, then it is going to be expired, and after that you only regret. And here there is one peer graded assignment is also there. I put answers of it from tomorrow, and here I am going to show you one more benefit of your PayPal account, that is a 2-month premium membership of Skillshare, which I also introduced in my video. And also there you need a PayPal account, and there you doesn't need any transaction, any money add. Only you need to sign up with your PayPal account and you get it for free. So until if you doesn't using a PayPal, then you are missing many things which all are taking benefit. And you have one more Coursera course which I uploaded yesterday. I think many of you doesn't take benefit of it. There is a free certificate from Coursera. If you doesn't go through it, then you are doing very big mistake, because you doesn't know which recruiting company needs this. This is the content marketing course which is very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.